Whoa, hello there. All right, well, made it out here to the Black Rock Desert. It is in Arizona, and this is where we're gonna put the Mavic 2 Pro up in the air for the first time and check it out. I've been driving past this stretch of desert for a long time and always wanted to put a drone in the air, and today we're gonna do it. So let's get the drone set up and we'll get to it. Okay, well, I was just getting it started up and the phone overheated. It's pretty hot out here today, so like I said, this is first time putting the Mavic 2 Pro up in the air. I didn't adjust any of the controls, any of the expo on the gimbal movements or the pan and tilt on the cameras or anything. And this controller actually handles quite a bit different than the Inspire controller. The gimbals, I mean, everything's so much more compact and small. It feels so small in your hand. So this just gives you kind of an idea of, out of the box, what kind of camera movements I was able to get out of it. I feel like I fly pretty well and can get some pretty smooth movements out of the drone. I didn't use any of the intelligent flight modes for any of these shots. Everything here was shot in 4K, the white balance set to sunny, and all the other settings were set to auto, the shutter speed and aperture and all that. So the drone flew pretty well. I was happy with its performance, and the battery life was amazing. I was out there in the heat. My poor phone, as you'll see here in a little bit, it overheated the first time, and so I had to go in the truck and turn the air conditioner on actually and hold the phone from the air conditioner for a bit to get it cooled down before I could go back out and actually record this footage and fly the drone. And then towards the end of that battery, the phone was getting real hot. But as you can see here, I was just going through doing some standard, top-down shots, some pan ups, some crane shots. It is super hot out here. I feel like my phone is gonna melt. I was really hoping a car would drive by on this highway, but I was out there for about an hour getting set up and everything. I saw one car drive down this little 2-lane road. So that was unfortunate. I didn't have the drone set up at the time. It wasn't up in the air, so I wasn't able to try to get any kind of follow shots or test the speed of the drone, keeping up with a moving vehicle. And I just wasn't confident enough to put the drone up, put it in intelligent flight mode, and drive my vehicle. Just because I don't know the capabilities of the drone yet, and wasn't willing to push it too hard first time out. So here I'm getting set up for the up and away. I forget what the intelligent flight mode is, but this is not intelligent flight mode. This is me just flying. Well, the phone is getting warm and it says it might shut down, so I guess I'm gonna have to put the drone down. It's so hot out. We'll try to catch one down shot of this deserted road here before it dies. So it was 107 degrees out in the desert that day, and I was totally unprepared for it. I didn't bring any extra water. I didn't do anything. So I was traveling from California to Arizona that weekend, and was really looking forward to driving through this desert with all the black rocks in it. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna pack it up because it's hot out. Okay, well that was a ton of fun. I had a blast flying this drone. It flew great. I'm super excited to get back to the house and check out the footage, which you guys have just seen. And I'm really hoping that it's as fantastic as it looks. So that's gonna do it for today's video. It's a short and sweet one, but we just wanted to get the drone up in the air and take some snapshots, do a little video of this nice black rock desert, and we'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.